Hey, Alex. Oh, hey, babe. Wow, that drawing is amazing. Hey, don't forget about a boat trip today. Oh, that? I completely forgot. Yeah, well, I'm gonna go and get ready to go. Oh, yeah, by the way, dogs are already in the car and ready to go. Okay, cool. Doo-doo. Time to get in the elevator. Actually, oh, yeah. Wait, before I go, I just remembered I gotta go to the garage. Oh, yeah, I got him with the car. Oh. Alright, I'll be back in a sec. Alright, just gotta put this inside. Grab that. Alright. Ah, cobweb. Alright. Okay, got it. Pop it down. Now, everything else I've got. Alright, time to bring it in. Alright, pour it out. Yeah. I don't know how we're gonna fit all this in, but I guess we're gonna have to try. Alright, see you guys when I sort it out. Alright, I think there's like one more thing to stuff. Stuff. Alright, all good. Alright, Barbie, all good. How the hell did you fit all that in there? I don't know, I just did. So, are you ready? Almost. Probably just gotta grab like 2 more things and then yeah. Well, I'm gonna start packing the car. Alright, Alex, that's fine. I will just finish this artwork that I'm doing that you can see sort of there. And I'll switch up the light and that. Sorry, Alex. I keep on forgetting. Isn't it Tracy? Oh, yeah, Tracy, thank you. Yeah, don't forget Tracy. Gotcha. Don't worry, I won't. You gonna bring one of your little stuffed toys with you? Nah. Okay, well, there's your hat here and your shoes and that. Okay, thanks. Okay, well, I better just quickly put on these things and then I'll be ready to go. Ugh, nearly tripped there. Alright, just gonna brush my hair, actually. It really needs detangling. I think I might just sit up on my bed first. There we go. Sitting on my bed now. Grab my hairbrush and brush my hair, brush my hair. Okay, just gonna tie up my hair with my big hair tie that always lasts forever. Okay, done. So, from the front to the back. So, yeah. Okay, now, time to put on the hat. Will it fit? Yes, perfectly. So I don't have to put my hair down into a very, very low ponytail. Now, I'm just going to pop on my shoes. High heels, exact. I don't know what is so special about high heels. I don't wear runners anymore. Well, often. Perfect. Black shoes are on. Alright. Just gonna go to my closet, open that up. Now, what bag do I want to take? This one. Perfect. Do we want to bring headphones? No, because I have headphones right here. So I can listen to cool music. All day, every day. Alright, gotcha. Now, I can go downstairs now. Oh, I forgot to bring a chair. Oh, close the doors. Jeez, I keep on forgetting. Alright, and Ken hasn't done anything as usual. Ken, what are you doing? Here, I'll help you. Come on, we gotta go. It's like nearly 4 o'clock. And since it's not daylight savings anymore, it's going to be dark soon. And no more sun. I don't like it when there's no sun. So come on. Okay, Barbie. Okay, you okay now? Thanks. Alright. Let's figure this out. So, maybe if you get in first and then you get to hold some stuff. Yeah, sounds pretty good. Okay, are you nearly done now? Nearly. Barbie, you nearly forgot your hat again. Oh, thanks, Alex. I keep on forgetting. I don't know why. Today is just a very forgetful day. Yeah, I get them. Quite a lot, actually. Like, last week, I almost forgot your name. You're joking. Yeah, I knew how to pronounce it, but not how to spell it. It was actually pretty hilarious. Alright, I think we got everything. Almost? Yeah, I think we just gotta put a couple of things in the boot, and then, yeah. Alright, I'll do that. Alright. Alright, can you push the button? Beep. Boom. Good. Alright, everything's in the trunk. You ready to go, Barbie? Yep. Are you? Yep, just gotta jump in the car. Alright, let's go. Alright, Barbie, we're here. And we've got the boat too. Alright. Okay, good, because I can't wait to get out and not be stuck in a place. Alright, now let's get the boat started and ready to go. Okay. Alright, let's get in the water. Whoa. Okay, I'm really glad that we safely got in the water. Can you hold my hat? Thanks. What a beautiful day to be sailing. And why are we going backwards when we're meant to be going forwards? Oh, I want to visit over there and see what's over there. Well, I think we're in a bit of a pickle if we can't go forward and all we can do is go backwards. Okay, that makes it a bit better. Okay, so we're back where we started. Alright, we're gonna see if that can work. Not as good as we hoped, but it can do. And it should be. Nothing much over here. No way, there's a shady spot. Let's go through the shady spot. Woo! That was so fun! I so want to do it again. Oh my gosh, Alex! The sun is shining on us. That is so amazing. Wow. This dam is really nice to glide on. Let's turn around and go back. Very fun. I actually might just, get settled on the back because there's nothing much we really need to do. Just so peaceful. I reckon we should just chill on the water for a bit. What do you think? Yeah, sounds very nice. Alright. Let's get the momentum. Wow, this is so cool. And it's like our second time using the boat. On the first day when we got it, we had to try it out going fishing. Let's go back. And we turn around. Ooh, let's maybe go through the leaf area. I want to try out that. We can go backwards, but I really don't think that's a good idea. 3, 2, 1. Whoosh! Ah! Not as good, but at least we had the back covered. Oh, really, it should be us getting covered, but I reckon we should just leave it down. What do you think, Alex? Well, babe, I think it's absolutely amazing, the view. Yeah, same. Like, look at the scenery. Tons of plants, and the sun is shining. And not much daylight to go. Wait, what did you say? I said not much daylight to go again. Sorry, I mean Alex. Yeah, you really gotta stop getting your ex's name in your head. Totally. Wait, should we start a season? What do you mean? Like winter season or... No, silly. Like a Barbie's series. Yeah, that sounds really good, actually. Oh. Once again, momentum, because I want to go through that. 3, 2, 1. That was so fun. I love that. I know. It's like you're just relaxing on water. It's like there's nothing else to care about. So beautiful. It's like I just want to relax on here. So what do you think our new series should be? Alright. Let's go over here. And up we go. Alright. Now we can chill out on the water. Okay. Now, just going to push this thing back. Perfect. So I can jump out of my seat and push it forward. And now I can sit and play in the sand. I love this. I just love this. I can do stuff, tons of stuff. Alright, now let's fill up the shell with the sand. So we got a bit of water with the sand to make it like this. The boat keeps on moving a lot. Now, voila, we got a seashell. And then you can press down to make seashells. Yeah. Seashells on the seashore. So, my little cousin went to a camp a couple of weeks ago. And she's just reminded me of the song again and again. Like swimming in the swimming pool. When days are hot, when days are cold in the swimming pool. Breaststroke, side stroke, fancy diving too. Oh, don't you wish you never had anything else to do? But, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, how dare I go, where my mother would say, have you ever seen a cow with a big unibrow. Down by the bay, down by the bay, down by the bay. Where the watermelons grow, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, back to my home. How dare I go, how dare I go. And it goes on and on, like a couple of times, like 3 or 4 times. And it's really nice. And she's like told me so many great things about it. And like, I so wished I went down to Golden Valleys. Whoa. Oh, relaxing. Alright. I'm just gonna rinse my face in the water. Ugh. Oh yeah, guys, if you've noticed my tattoo, pretty cool. Ugh. Barbie, you gonna get your hair? Are you gonna get your face wet or something? You always want me to get my something or somewhere wet. What? Got my face wet, okay? Let me jumper. Ugh, can't. Barbie, you just gotta stop calling me that. I know. I try not to. I really do. 1 hour later. I can't believe I got drenched. I know. The wind just picked up all of a sudden and you just went off the boat. I had to literally get the boat to save you. I know. I thought I saw something feed me, like, here. I'm pretty sure you'll be out. It could be just a little leaf, you know. True, but you never know. Yeah, you never know. So, what are we gonna have for dinner? I don't know. Well, I reckon we should pack up and head home. That sounds absolutely excellent. And what do you want to watch? How about we do it based on the movie? That sounds absolutely awesome. Let's pack up the car first. Yeah. So, what are you thinking about, tomorrow? Tomorrow we have to start work again. I know, I love the school holidays and that. We just, take the 2 weeks off. Doesn't every human do that? I think they do, but I'm not quite sure. Well, Barbie, what do you have in mind for tonight's dinner? Well, do you want roast chicken? No, I'm not feeling the chicken vibe. That was really good, that one. What do you think about the weather? What do you think about the weather? Really? Really, Alex? Is that a question? Well, I love that today. It was sunny and it was so beautiful. I reckon I did a bit of gardening today. No way, you did not. I did so. And I also helped out a friend with this miniature house that she's making for her teeny tiny little baby that's coming soon. No way. Yes, why? So, yeah. So, I'm very excited. Yeah, me too. Oh, got a little bug here. I'm gonna take off my jumper. I'm getting hot. Yeah. So, I reckon we should probably head off. The car's packed and everything. Yeah, true. Alright, well, let's get back home because I'm starving. Me too. Well, we gotta unpack most of it, make the bed a little bit, and I'm just gonna see my friend, how she's doing and all that. Sounds absolutely amazing. Alright, well, I reckon we should head home now. Totally. Oh, the mosquito. Oh, gotcha. Little thing. going to a movie tonight. Let me check my teeth. Yeah. Oh my gosh, Alex, what? Why are you dressed like this? What do you mean? Okay, I don't think that was necessary. Oh, come on. Why do you look like that? Should I take you to a doctor or something? No. Come on. I want to have a shower too. Come on. Get out of the shower. Right, I'm getting out of the shower. Okay, you want me to get out? Alright, I'm out. Okay? Alright, let me just shut the shower curtain. Okay, yeah, what did you want me? Okay, why are you dressed like that? Oh, literally. You gotta sit down for this. It's so crazy. Barbie, why do I have to explain to you? Just because I'm dressed like a caveman does not mean anything. Okay, yeah, I dressed like the caveman for a caveman movie me and the guys are going to see. So, is that such a big deal? Yes, it really is, because you look like a total, you know. A total what, Barbie? Alex, you're really gonna make me say this? Yes. You look like a buffhead. What the hell is a buffhead? You're dressed like one right now. It's called a caveman. Besides, me and the guys are gonna go watch a movie about cavemans or something like that. So, I want to be dressed for the occasion. Can't you wear a t-shirt and jeans to see a movie? No. Hey, and remember that time when we went to go and see an Avatar movie? You literally painted yourself blue. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, we have something. Okay, well, by the way, me and the boys going tonight, and I will be back soon. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, you like the beard? Yeah, the beard. Spent a lot of time making the beard. Can you stop saying the beard? It's very weird. Why are you all so perfectional? Like, oh my god, you look like a buffhead because I'm dressed like a because you're dressed like a caveman. Okay, pretty good, but one, I do not sound like. Two, yes, you look like a caveman, and you're overreacting about a movie. The tickets cost $30. 30 to watch a movie? Yeah. So I'm gonna go. And you can go and watch Wednesday Addams show that you're absolutely obsessed about, and you try and figure out all the cases. Alright, well, gotta go. I can't believe she reacts like that. And I am not dressing up as a caveman. I just want to see her reaction, really. Paying those prices. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, thanks. I don't know when I can take this outfit off, but I really don't want to take off the beard. Please take off the beard, Alex. Please. I can grow my own beard. Okay, I don't mind about that. Okay, cool. It'll probably take a month or two. Alright, we're just gonna get to the point. The point. We're not gonna talk about the beard. We're not gonna talk about a movie. We're gonna talk about the point. Alright? Which is saying bye to our fans. Oh. Alright. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please just Well, not displeased because we are not begging you to do it. It's your choice if you want to like and subscribe. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video. Oh yeah, and the boat ride was amazing. You should have seen him fall out of the boat. It was actually quite hilarious. Yeah, it took her 5 minutes to get me back on the boat. True. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.